How to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the latest AI manga filter that is trending on TikTok. Now to do so, first open up the TikTok app. You'll get an interface like this. Now at the search icon that you can find at the top of your screen, simply search in for AI filter. Once you do this, you can see AI portrait coming up, AI painter, AI filter. If you have confusion selecting one, what you can do is simply head into one video. You can see that this is an AI style filter. Now simply tap on the filter and tap on use this effect. Allow the access that it asks for and then upload a picture or choose a video or any that you want as per your wish. Now I'll just use a picture here. So once you select the picture, you can see it's loading up and the transition or the AI filter has been enabled on my picture. This way you can get AI manga filter on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.